Okay, you're not dreaming. That robot you just saw? Yeah, it just danced, ran, spun midair, and then sorted packages like it was nothing. Welcome back to the channel, and today you're gonna see something that'll shake your whole idea of what robots can do. Forget clunky bots moving like confused mannequins. This one flows. Meet the robot L7, China's brand new humanoid that doesn't just move like us, it thinks like us. Standing tall at 171 centimeters, that's around 5'7", and weighing just 65 kilograms, the L7 isn't some scaled-down prototype. It's full-size, full power, and full-on terrifying, in the coolest way. This thing can run, spin 360 degrees in the air, tear tissue paper gently, sort boxes, scan barcodes, fasten screws, and wait for it, draw curtains. I'm not kidding. One moment it's pulling off a street dance routine, the next it's doing factory-level work. Now let's talk about what makes it tick, because this isn't just some flashy outer shell. The joints? Monsters. The L7's joints push out a mind-blowing 400 Newton-meters of torque. Translation? It can jump while carrying its own weight and still land gracefully. And when it needs to adjust its balance, its joints move at 25 radians per second. That's faster than you can blink, literally. No delay, no hesitation, it just reacts instantly. And that control? That's where it gets spooky good. The L7 runs on something called a quasi-direct drive system with a lightweight frame made from aerospace aluminum and carbon fiber. So yeah, this robot is part gymnast, part powerlifter, part dancer, and all brain. But here's the real kicker. It doesn't just follow commands, it understands them. At the core of the L7 is this next-level brain called ERAA42. It sees, hears, and thinks, all in real time. So you can say, hey, move that red cup next to the book, and it just does it. No preloaded routine, no lag, just natural, human-like response. You watch it tilt its head, scan the scene, and move like it gets it, because it does. It's linking what it sees, hears, and understands, and turning that into smooth, intentional action. I know, this sounds like sci-fi, but we're way past CGI now. This is real footage, no wires, no puppeteers, just a robot that looks around, processes context, and acts with freakish precision. It's not just copying us anymore. It's learning how we do things and then doing them its way, with better balance, cleaner movement, and zero coffee breaks. And the internet? Losing it. People are watching clips of the L7 adjusting a slightly off-center glass and going, wait, robots can be that smooth now? Now here's where it gets serious. This robot wasn't made to go viral. It was made to work. In factories, in warehouses, on loading docks. It's doing real-world jobs while still pulling off power moves that'd make a breakdancer jealous. Think sorting logistics bins, handling tools, even recognizing objects in chaotic environments. The dual strength? It's not just strong, it's smart. L7 is crossing into territory where robots don't just follow orders, they understand why those orders matter. So here's the big question everyone's whispering right now. If robots like L7 can see what we see, hear what we say, understand our world, and move like a trained athlete, what's left that only humans can do? Scary? Maybe. Inspiring? Definitely. We're not just watching machines anymore. We're watching a new kind of presence enter the world. Not just tools, not just tech. These are beings that can react, move, and decide in real time. So yeah, Robot L7, it's not some stunt for attention. It's the start of a new kind of humanoid, one that works, thinks, dances, and maybe one day lives alongside us. And if this is what July 2025 looks like, I don't even want to guess what we'll see by December. Thanks for watching, friends. Hit that like button if your jaw hit the floor. Subscribe if you want to see where all this is heading, because trust me, the robot race just got turbocharged. And if you thought L7 was wild, wait till you see what Unixi just released. Open source robot arms that move like living limbs. That video is coming next. Stay curious, stay human while you still can.